You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly this name of German origin. It's more common in Germany. If you want to learn the German pronunciation and more confusing names, stay tuned. We've got tons of them coming up at the end of the video. In German, Schulz. Schulz. So you have a ts sound at the end. So it's not Schulz or Scholz. Schulz. In English, similarly, Schulz. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.